Hi, are you a parent who is bothered about your child's performance when it comes to maths? Are you a parent who is constantly worried about your child's disinterest in maths? Or are you a parent who wonders how to deal with the negative emotions of your child? By negative emotions, I mean negative self talks, always complaining of the stomach discomfort when asked to work on the maths problems, or for that matter, avoiding maths until the last minute. If your answer to any one of this is yes, then I bet you're at the right place. Hi, I'm Shashi and I'm a mind maths specialist and I help students beat maths fear, gain immense confidence with numbers and fall in love with maths effortlessly using my mind maths technology. To know how, please click on the link below and register for my upcoming 5 days masterclass wherein I will explain about the causes of the negative emotions of your child and also to understand as to how we as parents can help them overcome this fear. I will also teach few simple tips and techniques of the basic mathematical operations that will help your child gain immense interest in the subject just in 5 days. Register now and I will see you there.